Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to clear and delete Safari history with the restriction on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to clear the Safari history and website data on your iPhone iOS 26, and after that due to restriction if you are unable to do so, then how you can fix that. Well, this is what you have to do. You have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again. And after turning off the airplane mode, you have to go to settings, and this time you have to go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on that, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next, and this time you have to search for the screen time on your iPhone, and here you have to make sure that you do not have turned on the website and app and website activity. So if you see this kind of toggle is turned on, so you have to click on that, and here are the options available. So you have to simply go to content and privacy restriction, and here you have to make sure that these toggles are not turned on. So if you turn on these toggles, then you will be unable to clear Safari history and website data. You have to simply go to apps, and if you open the Safari, then you will be unable to clear history and website data. As you can see, there is option that option of clear history and website data is grayed out. Now if you want to use that feature and you want to clear that history and website data, then you have to simply go to screen time, and after that you have to click on content privacy and restrictions. So you have to turn off this toggle, and you have to provide the passcode, and after providing the passcode you have to simply go back. Now open the apps again, and this time you have to go to Safari again, and in Safari you have to check whether that option is still grayed out or not. So if still grayed out, then you have to check for that again, and after that you have to click on clear history and website data, and you can simply see that that option has enabled, so you will be able to clear history and website data on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.